Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. My name is Krista and I am really happy that you're here with me today. Over the last week already, wow, I can't believe it's already been a whole week, I have been opening some boxes from this craft advent calendar that I purchased for 2025. So far we've had a lot of really fun items, not really anything that I could just take it and run and make a craft, other than the watercolor paints where I made a little a Christmas card with a little wreath on it. I can put a link up here. I never know which way to point. So up here somewhere I will put a link. But today is December the 8th. So that means we need to open another box. So this is our little setup that we have here for all of our little boxes for each day of the month. So we need to open box number 8, which I believe is one of these bigger ones here. This one here. So let's move this to the side and we're going to open up box number 8. I like how they have these so that they look like buildings. So this one looks like a house. Some of the other ones look like little towering like apartment buildings. So this is the one we're going to open for December the 8th. Ooh, well, here we go. Here is a green notepad. So this is just a plain notepad. It's got blank paper in it. And you know, this would be kind of fun to just, draw in, like make little doodles or, you know, just make little drawings, I guess. So we could use some of the felts, some of the pencil crayons that we've gotten so far, and just, you know, that would be kind of a neat little, oh wait, maybe we could do that. I just had an idea. Once this advent calendar is done, I'm thinking maybe what I'll do is I will start a little mini series, and maybe I will take and break this page up into 7, so one for each day of the week. And each day we will use one of our items that we get in our advent calendar, and or even just a pencil. Maybe it'll just be a pencil or a pen, and we'll just do a doodle, and we'll just kind of fill in that little space with whatever we think of that day. It could be just lines and coloring things in. It could be a little picture. It could be a drawing. It could be a little painting, whatever. That might be kind of fun. And then if we did that for every day, because these are kind of thick, like they're, well, I guess I had 2 sheets there. They're not real thick, so probably would just do 1 week on this page, and then I would leave that blank, because I have a feeling that maybe some of the felts and the paints might come through. But I think that would be fun. And you know what? I could take my Cricut. We could come up with some kind of a fun little title for our little book here, and yeah, just for something fun to do. Now, what would you think to do with this little scribbler if you were to have it? Would you just tuck it away and not use it, or would you actually, you know, write little notes in it, or would you write recipes in it, or I don't know. You tell me, what would you do with this little notebook? And like I said, it's not really a notebook because it doesn't have any lines. To me, a notebook has lines. This is just a blank sheet of paper. Interesting. Thank you for joining me today on Krista So Crafty. Again, it's a short little video, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow when we open box number 9. I would like to thank you for joining me today as I filmed this short little video on opening this box number 8 for the advent calendar. So thank you again for joining me, and happy crafting.